First Warn 5 weather with Pat Holliner.
8:43 this morning, and not much has changed from yesterday. It's kind of the same areas seeing the precipitation and the same areas not seeing precipitation. It's that same setup we've been talking about, that really strong area of high pressure, basically acting like a shield. And notice where you have those clear skies right under that high. And then you have this area in between where it's a little bit more unsettled. Particularly right ahead of this part of the cold front is going to be where the most active weather is today. That's where we have that chance of severe storms. We still have the dry line in West Texas. That also today, there's a little bit stronger upper level winds over West Texas today. There could be some severe weather in parts of Texas on the east side of this dry line. It's this cold front out here back in Arizona that's finally going to get here Saturday morning and will cool us down. Yesterday was a pretty busy day for severe weather in Kansas, and it looks like it's going to be another one today. In fact, of the 5 levels of severe weather, we actually have level 4 out of 5. That's for northeast Kansas, northwest Missouri. That's the best chance of seeing damaging wind, hail, and there's also the chance of even tornadoes down into Texas. Can't rule it out. So a large chunk of real estate. Not a guarantee everybody in here is going to see severe weather, but the chance is there. Notice for the valley, we are okay. And even when that cold front gets here Saturday morning, it looks like it's going to be weaker than the cold front that we're seeing right now up to the north. It's going to arrive in a weakened state, and so we're not concerned with severe weather when that front finally does arrive on Saturday. It'll bring us some rain, but just regular rain. And it doesn't really look like the rain's going to be all that heavy either at this point. 9 a.m. this morning, a whole bunch of clouds. I think in general the clouds are going to thin out a little bit faster today. We'll see a little bit more sun than yesterday. We're not talking about a lot of bright sunshine. There's still going to be plenty of clouds around. Overall, I'll call it mostly cloudy, though there may be a period in the mid-afternoon with partly cloudy skies. And a little bit more sun means a little bit warmer temperatures. Also, the winds always help with the warm-up, and it is going to be windy today. Gusts around 35 miles per hour. You factor in the humidity, the low 90s are going to feel like the mid-90s. Tonight is going to be mostly cloudy. Tomorrow morning is going to be mostly cloudy. I won't call it overcast, though. I think there might even be some gaps already in the clouds. I think tomorrow we may even have more sunshine than today. I would say that would make it warmer, but it looks like the winds might be just a touch lighter, and so I think that's going to kind of balance things out. And so pretty much we're going to be sitting the same as far as temperatures go. Low 90s, but feeling like the mid 90s. A little bit more sun tomorrow and a little bit lighter winds, but it's still going to be a windy day. Still not a very pleasant day. 91, that is a little bit above normal for this time of year. We should be in the upper 80s. Instead, we're going to be 91, and it's going to feel like the mid 90s. The wind's going to help some, but it can only help so much with this kind of humidity. Gusts are going to be around 35 miles per hour, and it's just going to be windy throughout the day. And then tonight, I'll call it breezy. The winds die down some, but we're still going to see gusts around 25. And with breezy conditions and still a lot of clouds, mostly cloudy skies, we're only cooling down to 77. That said, I think in the days ahead, notice our low temperatures over the next 7 days. They gradually come down, finally getting down to 67. Again, it's subtle differences we're talking about here. Now, our next chance of rain is Friday night. That's ahead of the cold front. I think the cold front arrives Saturday morning. And that means Saturday morning looks like the best chance of rain. But because this thing's, again, so slow moving, the chance of rain is going to be with us through the afternoon and Saturday night. It's not going to rain all day. I think there are going to be some breaks. And I wouldn't cancel your Saturday plans for now. If you want to stay completely dry, though, make the plans for Sunday afternoon because the chance of rain is very small, just Sunday morning. Still a lot of clouds on Sunday, but a little bit of sun coming out in the afternoon. We're going to see a lot more sun on Monday, but that means that the cool down isn't going to last long. Though we're going to start out cooler in the mornings, we're going to warm right back up to 90 in the afternoon, and it looks like 90 and partly cloudy for Tuesday as well.